Today, I want to tell you about something new that I think will make a real difference to anyone driving in Spain. We have launched a dedicated information hub on the N332 website, focusing entirely on the new V-16 emergency lights. These devices are set to replace warning triangles from January 2026, and there is still a lot of confusion around which models are legal, which are connected, and which are not. The hub brings everything together in one place. You will find direct links to the official DGT guidance, explanations of how the system works, and clear answers to the most common questions drivers are asking right now, which we will add to as more questions come to light. And alongside that, we have released the very first edition of our new monthly booklet series, N332 Signpost. It is a simple, pocket-sized snapshot guide designed to give you the essential information quickly and clearly. Originally planned for the new year, we have brought the launch forward with the first edition focusing on the V-16 emergency beacon, what it is, how it works, and how to make sure you buy a fully compliant device. You can download Signpost directly from the hub, and it is now also available on Kindle, completely free for Kindle Unlimited users. If you drive in Spain or know someone who does, have a look at the new page at n332.es/V16. It will help you stay informed, avoid the common mistakes, and keep yourself and others safe on the road.